Rogers Ignite pods extend your Wi-Fi coverage, but disconnections are common. The two main culprits are interference and backhaul issues. Interference occurs when other wireless devices disrupt the pod's signal. Pods use both 2.4 GHz for range and 5 GHz for speed, but crowded channels lead to problems. Backhaul refers to the connection between the pods and the main Rogers gateway router. Pods need to be within 30 to 50 feet of each other, and the gateway, with signal strength above -60 dBmers. Rogers has released firmware updates like version 4.0.2 in Q3 2025, but understanding these issues is key to troubleshooting. First, try re-adding your pods through the Rogers app. This refreshes connections and resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, optimize pod placement. Avoid metal objects and areas prone to interference, and try using wired Ethernet for backhaul where possible. You can also change Wi-Fi channels through the Rogers app. Look to the future. Rogers is integrating AI to predict and prevent offline events. Emerging trends include battery-powered pods for rural areas and eventually Wi-Fi 7, promising better interference resistance. Keep your Rogers app updated and check the Rogers support forums for the latest info. Many fixes, 65% according to 2025 Rogers data, can now be handled DIY through the app.